How to clear a WhatsApp chat. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to clear a WhatsApp chat without deleting the entire conversation. Let's jump in. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. After you log into your account, go to the chat section from the bottom. Now tap on the chat that you want to clear. This can be with a friend, a group, or even yourself. If you are on Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and on iPhone, tap the contact or group name at the top. From the menu, select the Clear Chat option. Scroll down a little bit and here you can see this Clear Chat option. Simply click on it. Now click on Clear All Messages. And that's it. This is how you clear a chat on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.